Are you looking to start a business quickly and with minimal risk? Let's dive into some of the fastest ways to work for yourself and make money online using your existing skill sets. Most people think starting a business requires significant investment and time. But what if I told you that you can start a business quickly with minimal costs and leverage your existing skills? I've got a few years experience in working in an online business, and I've seen firsthand how leveraging your skills and network can accelerate your entrepreneurial journey. So let's explore some ideas that meet the criteria of a quick startup with low risk and utilizing your current skill set. In this video, we'll dive into social media management, online tutoring, content creation, personal shopping, skill selling, affiliate marketing, and online coaching. These are all forms of freelancing that can help you replace your current income relatively quickly. Social media management. You can offer your social media management services to businesses and individuals. It's in very high demand and you can start it immediately if you have the skills. You can create and schedule posts, manage ads, and monitor engagement. These are all things that I have hired people for in the past. Online tutoring. Providing tutoring services in a subject or skill you're already proficient in is also very high demand. It's due to the rise of remote learning. You can offer one-to-one or group tutoring sessions, and it's very easy to market online and set up. Content creation, offer writing, graphic design, or video production services. Businesses are always looking and need fresh content. You can create blog posts, social media graphics, promotional videos, anything in this realm of online content. It is highly demanded. Personal shopping or styling. You can offer your unique shopping and styling services, perfect for those with a passion for fashion and an eye for style. You could help clients curate their wardrobe or assist with outfit selection for special events. Another one, skill selling. Offer your existing skills. What are you currently doing in your existing job that you can sell online? You can do this flexibly and earn money as you go. You can write, design, program, sell, whatever your skill allows, someone else will pay for it and potentially at a higher market rate than you're currently getting as an employee. Affiliate marketing. You can promote other people's products or services. You can earn a commission. There's no need to create your own products. You can use a website, social media, email marketing to promote these products and you get a commission. Another one is online coaching or consulting. You can offer your coaching or consulting services in your area of expertise. You can share your valuable knowledge and help others succeed. You can create online courses, provide one-to-one coaching, or build a membership site. But here's the real interesting part about all of these options. They all have one thing in common. They are all forms of freelancing. Freelancing allows you to start immediately. It allows you to use your existing skills. It allows you to earn enough straight away to replace your current income. Freelancing is the fastest way to gain control over your time and start building your freedom and wealth. Freelancing is the fastest way to get your time back and start living life on your terms. So follow this channel, subscribe, like this video, sign up to the newsletter because there's much more content coming on this and I'll be sharing exactly how you can set up your freelancing business in all these coming videos. I hope it's been useful for you and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.